Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Running a Python program in the command prompt, cmd.exe, using Notepad is a simple and straightforward process. Follow these steps. Step 1. Write your Python code in Notepad. 1. Open Notepad by searching for it in the Start menu. 2. Write your Python code in Notepad. For example, you can create a simple Hello World program. 3. Save your Python file with a .py extension. For this example, you can save it as hello.py. Step 2. Open command prompt. 1. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. 2. Type cmd and press Enter to open command prompt. Step 3. Navigate to the directory where your Python file is saved. 1. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where you saved your Python file. For example, if you saved it on the desktop, you can use. Step 4. Run the Python program. 1. In the command prompt, type the following command to run your Python program. 2. Press Enter, and you should see the output Hello World displayed in the command prompt. That's it. You have successfully run a Python program in command prompt using Notepad. This process can be used for running any Python program from the command prompt. If you encounter any errors while running the program, make sure that you have Python installed on your system and that the Python executable is added to your system's path variable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you have any further questions.